This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find your saved items on Facebook. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Facebook here. I have the desktop app opened up now. This works exactly the same on the browser as it does on the desktop app. But to find your saved items, if you go up to the top here, you can see that I am on the Home tab. You want to be on the Home tab, and then on the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to look through these for saved. Mine is right here. But if you don't see yours in here, go down to where it says See More, click on See More, and it gives you more options here. You just have to find saved. Mine is right here. I'm going to click on Saved. And then in the center pane, you can scroll down through your saved items, and all your saved items will be in this area here. You just scroll down through it. That is how to find your saved items on Facebook. Thanks for watching.